Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and create a QR code for your PDF file. But before we get into this, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for videos like this. So to get started, join me. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your PDF file. Okay, as I explained earlier in my introduction video. So to get started, you open any browser of your choice. But in my case, I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I love to use this browser. Then you type this URL, www.qrfy.com. I'll leave the link at the description below, okay? Then you enter from the keyboard. So you get this interface. At the top right, you see register and login. The register is when you want to create accounts with them, and the login is when you already have an account with them. So I'll click on the register, and you see create, manage, track your QR codes. Okay, so sign up now and try all features free for 7 days. So you have 7 days to try their features, and when it's okay for you, you upgrade. Okay, so here you can enter your email address and then your password, and then you create an account, or you can sign up when you have a Google account. Okay, so in my case, I already have an account with them. So I'll scroll down. You see, I already have an account. So I'll log in, and then I'll log in with my Google account. Okay, so this is the interface. This is my interface because I've created a folder for my QR codes, and it's named my QR codes. Okay, so you can also create a folder where you are going to keep your QR codes. Okay, so when you are done creating the folder, you click on create QR code. And here you have the content to which you want to attach the QR code. Okay, we have the website, list of links, video, vcards, apps, coupon, playlist, events, PDF, images, business, menu, MP3, feedback, and landing page. So you can attach the QR code to any of these contents so that when you scan the code, it will open your content for you. So in my case, I'm going to use the PDF. Okay, I want to attach the QR code to the PDF. So I'll click on the PDF, and it gives me this interface. Okay, it says complete the content of the QR code. So I'll name my QR code. So it said name of your QR code, so I'll give the name Sakes Infotech. That's my channel name actually. So please subscribe to this channel. Okay, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Then you scroll down and you see upload PDF, and the maximum size you can upload is 100 megabytes. Okay, so I'll click on the upload, and then I'll navigate to where I have my PDF. So I'll select the ChatGPT for Dummies, and I'll open. So you can see here it's uploading my PDF. Voila, it's done uploading. Okay, and you can see ChatGPT for Dummies, which is uploaded. So I'll click on next. Here you can see the preview from here. So this is the ChatGPT. You can see the preview from here. Okay, so I'll click on next, and then I'll select the frame I want to use for my PDF. So the default frame is this. Okay, so this is the default. This is the preview. So you can select anyone you want to use. Okay, you can select any of them. You can select anyone you want to use. Okay, but in my case, I'm going to leave the default. Then I'll click complete. So now it has generated the QR code for the PDF. Okay, so you can see here PDF and the name of my QR code, Sakes Infotech. I can click here to edit the name if I want to edit the name, and it's giving me the date I created the QR code. Okay, I want to leave the name as Sakes Infotech. Okay, then at the far right, you see the download button there. Okay, so you click on download, and then you can select the format to which you want to download your QR code. You can customize it. You can download PNG, you can download JPEG, you can download SVG, PDF, and EPS. Okay, in my case, I'm going to download PDF. Okay, so the download is complete. So I'll click on the folder and navigate to where I have my PDF. So when you open the PDF, this is how you are going to see it. Okay, so to scan the PDF, okay, or to scan it, you are supposed to install the PDF scanner or the scanner on your phone, okay, or the QR code scanner or the QR and barcode scanner, okay, on your phone before you can scan this barcode to access your PDF, okay. So I'm going to show you how to download the QR code as well, and then we proceed to the video. Okay, so now I'm going to install the QR code scanner, okay, so that we can scan our PDF to get the ChatGPT, okay. So to do that, you have to go to your Play Store, or you can go to your App Store. So I'll go to my Play Store, I'll tap on that, and I'll search the QR code scanner. Okay, so this is it. So I'll tap on that, and then I'll tap on the QR and barcode scanner, okay. So I'll tap on the install. So before you can scan your PDF, you need to install this application before you can get access to your PDF, okay. So it's installing the QR and barcode scanner, okay. So it's installing, okay. So when it's done installing, we are going to scan our PDF file to see the outcome of what we did. So I'll tap on the open, and then it will open the QR code for me to scan the PDF. So let me quickly scan. Okay, so this is what we've gotten. So you can share this URL to any of your colleagues. You can share this URL to anyone, so that when it's being scanned, it will open the ChatGPT as we did. And you can also copy this link and share it as well. So let me click on the open. It's loading the ChatGPT. So now we have the ChatGPT. So we see PDF. I'll click on the see PDF, and now we can download our file. So I just want to open once with my PDF viewer. So now we have our ChatGPT. Okay, so you can use the same thing for any of your applications you want, any of your it can be videos, it can be applications, anything you want to do with the scanner, you can do that on this website, okay. I know you really enjoyed this video, so please do well to hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified with videos like this. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.